What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to my channel. Today we want to see how you can change your boring background, just as you can see, on a budget. You can find little things, everyday items on the everyday items, buy them and change them into this kind of setting. From this boring to this. Okay, so cheap ways to get such nice background. And I've realized that everyday item like LED lights you find on the roadside, you can buy them and gel them, put them at your background. So let's tour my little studio and see what we have.
So the background you are seeing is just a plywood I painted blue, and the flower is by Queensbox, an event. I'll put a link in the description, you can check it out. It's a beautiful portrait of my two daughters, and this is the table lamp by the roadside, and my laptops. We have Sony Values Code, but it's still working fine. And yeah, so this is the lamp I was talking about. It costs about only 30 Ghana at the roadside, all these items. And that's so beautiful, it's a gold color. And I have this LED light I bought in traffic. I think it was just 10 cents. And so I now channel the blue, as you can see, give me that effect at the background. Here gives me this red background. Yeah, and this is my Wacom tablet and all that.
Light. I also go low on budget. This is the normal we use in house homes. And this is a shoot-through umbrella. Shoot-through umbrella. It will not cost you more than 25 Ghana cedis. And this holder, you can get this holder at NK. I think it's around 80 cedis. Yeah, so I've got two of those. And this is one. So these are the lights lighting me in my small home studio. Yeah, so that is about it. With these little tweaks, you can get your nice, beautiful studio at home. I'm not sure this setup will cost more than 500 Ghana. It will be way less. Way less. I think maximum will be 300.